Okay guys, so morning, and this is another episode of Trade Based Speed, or where we trade the market. This morning, this is earning week, so we do have NVDA who's reporting around on the 20, guys. So NVDA is reporting on the 20. Walmart, Neo, Target, and much more. So I am just showing some of the company that I may be looking. I'm probably going to be looking at NVDA and Walmart. And if you are familiar with our channel, I do post Apple levels daily, and also made a video of which stock we are watching this week, guys. So let's get into it. This is Apple this morning. Alright guys, this is Apple this morning. Last week's pretty bearish, but I want to say that Apple did not go too low. It kind of stay a little bit stable on some level, guys. So we're still on 225 level. So this morning, let's talk about Apple. Low level, Apple breaking this 224.31 level. This is what I see here. This bouncing around this 224 level to 225 level that I see. So breaking a lower than this 224.26, we could see around the level around the, let's say, the 223 50 level. And then lower than that, I will say Apple could see that 222 50 level, or around 230, 222 50, 222 60 level, guys. Now breaking above, because we are pre-market on 225.12. Now 225.12 broken above this 225 44 level, Apple could go ahead and see that 228. For those who's watching my daily short on Apple, I did emphasize that I would like to see Apple going all the way to that 228 level, and then breaking above that 228. Definitively, that's the level that I will be targeting, probably above the 230 232 level, guys. So for this morning, 225, let's break that 225 30 42, and then let's see Apple could see that 226 level, but then reaching the 228 level is kind of a key level here. Lower level, guys, like I said, let's break that 224 30 224 30 level, and then let's target that Apple probably up to 223.60 level, and then lower than that, guys. So that's when we'll probably be able to see that 222 level. Okay, this is for Apple this morning. All right, guys, so this is Tesla this morning. Pre-market, we are at 220.38. So Tesla went up all the way to the 237 last week, and all the way to breaking the 223 level. We see that Tesla has a level up to 238, guys. So now on this, I will say level Apple continue. All right, guys, Tesla 338 pre-market, like I was saying, it broke the level of 231, and then we could say Apple Tesla can continue all the way to that 245 level, guys. Let's be a little bit watchful here. Could be have a rejection around this 240 44 levels, guys, and if not, and a hold, we could probably go a little bit higher around 350, guys. So but rejection, we could probably see a 220 level if it doesn't hold around the 240, and probably lower, guys. So let's be watchful on Tesla. It could go all the way up, or probably go all the way down, back again to that 310 level, guys. So be watchful on Tesla for those levels. Alright, guys, so this is SPY, and we do have it at 385.71, guys. So we kind of have to looking at pre-market is 583. For this morning, I will say that SPY could keep going up a little bit, breaking above that is already close to that 386 level, guys. So if he broke above the 386.20, I would say Breaking above is 326.80. We could see to go all the way to that 387.37 level and probably a little higher, guys. Probably 327 level to 228, breaking the 386.20. If not, then I will say we could see SPY going back to that 384 level that we do have there, 384.74, and then 385, probably lower, guys. So up to 383, maybe 383.60. So we're gonna be a little bit watchful on both sides right here. It could actually go a little bit up to the 380, 386, 387 level, or go down that 384, 383.60 level, guys. So this is trade by speed, guys. This is trade by speed and trader levels. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, share, guys. Until next time.